focus their innovation efforts on coming together as a team. We're going to have to figure out a way to make it much more unified.
We have so many other things going on in our lives that healthcare shouldn't be something that holds us back from doing those things. It should aid us in moving forward in our lives.
When it comes to booking appointments to see our family doctors, everything's online, it's efficient. We can do through our phone, through mobile apps, and it just makes it much more convenient and easier in today's world where everything's moving quickly.
Well, usually the healthcare provider we have, if we have an issue, we call them and they set up a time and a schedule, and they come right to the ranch, which is really helpful, and they'll meet us, any day of the night, 7 days a week.
I am grateful that we now have a more organized structure with our state insurance commission. We have a state exchange, and I think they list the potential options pretty well, and you can go to one place to find them. And I do like that.
The doctor's office that I go to is a new program where they pay the doctor a lump sum for taking care of the patient for the whole year. So then he's incentivized to take care of you quickly, efficiently, to multitask, to talk to you about all your global health needs.
Well, I'm a dialysis patient, and they've come a long way. So the technology in the dialysis department, I really appreciate. I can actually do my dialysis at home if I wish.
The fact that she went from different hospitals, from large trauma centers to small community hospitals, from surgeries to palliative, and then eventually she unfortunately died. The whole experience was incredible.
Doctors even text me and call me on my phone, which is fantastic.
A couple of years ago, I went through a kidney transplant. So, they were communicating between doctors here, doctors at the facility that actually did it, my insurance companies. The transplant coordinator, she was the one-stop shop. She took care of everything, and all I had to do was talk to her, and she made it happen.
And I look also on Yelp reviews and also call my insurance provider to see what falls under the umbrella.
They actually have an app developed called ThoughtSwap. So it's an app where you can go get mental health help and mental health support and counseling, as well if you want a place to walk and a place to relax. So I think that's a really cool innovation.
I find that the insurance company that I have makes it a little easier. They have a website that helps you find a provider and helps you kind of filter out the things that are covered in your insurance riders.
It makes me feel like they're on their game. It just they're keeping track of the technology. They're doing what they can to keep evolving their service, and that makes me feel good that I'm getting value for my money.